Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to the Manny and Shawn Experience. This is Manny. Today, we have a room tour for you, but on a cruise ship. Yes, Virgin Voyages, a Scarlet Lady, the OG of the Virgin Voyages brand. We are going to give you a tour of the Sea Terrace, which is essentially a balcony cabin on other cruise lines. So if you're new to Virgin, you're not sure what Sea Terrace is, that's your balcony. These initial shots are just kind of the Terminal V there in Miami. It is one of my favorite terminals in the cruising industry. I don't know what it is about it. Maybe it's the color red. The Happenings cast is always welcoming you aboard as you step onto any of the Virgin Voyages brand. There's usually a DJ playing. But let's get to what you're here for. The cabin tour 14062 Alpha. As you open the door, the lights are going to come on, the curtains are going to open. Really dramatic, right? As you can see, the cabin right now, it's set up for a couple. If you are traveling with a friend or somebody that you don't get cozy with, the beds can be separated. That white piece you see right there, the bed would flip over to that side. They can also turn that into a couch during the day. They used to do that automatically. Now it's upon a request. They always provide you with a watercraft in the morning. There's a fridge below there, and then also the tablet, which really manages almost everything in the cabin, like TV or AC, the lights. There's a couple of fun settings in there. This is all the closet space they have, so a lot of people don't like that. For us, it was fine, specifically on our 7-day that we did in the Med. They have a rain shower head, which I absolutely love. Bathroom is a bathroom in the cabin. It's pretty standard for cruise lines, but this is really what sells people on the Sea Terrace is the balcony, essentially, right? I mean, look at the views you get. The hammock is amazing. We used it way more than we thought we would. And look at this. Just imagine being in that hammock and watching those views. Thanks for joining us on this room tour. Follow us, MASXP23. Bye for now.